Let's explore the top 5 passive income streams for 2024, go into their potential, accessibility, and how you can get started with each. 1. YouTube. Monetizing your creativity. YouTube continues to be a lucrative platform for generating passive income. With its vast audience, content creators can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success on YouTube lies in creating engaging, original content and building a dedicated audience. It requires initial effort in content creation and channel promotion, but once established, it can provide a steady income stream through ad revenues and sponsorships. 2. Blogging. Leveraging content for income. Blogging remains a strong passive income source in 2024. By creating a blog on a niche topic, you can attract a targeted audience. Monetization comes from various sources like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenues. The beauty of blogging is the flexibility it offers. You can write about your passions or expertise and monetize your knowledge and experiences. 3. Online courses. Sharing knowledge. The e-learning industry has seen exponential growth, making online courses a profitable passive income stream. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating an online course can be a great way to earn. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your own website can host your courses. Once your course is created and uploaded, it requires minimal upkeep, providing a scalable source of income. 4. Cryptocurrency. The digital asset opportunity. Cryptocurrency has become a mainstream investment option by 2024. While it's more volatile than traditional investments, it offers the potential for high returns. Passive income can be generated through methods like crypto staking or yield farming, where you earn rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and consider this as part of a diversified investment strategy. 5. Stocks. Dividend investing. Stock market investments, particularly dividend stocks, are a time-tested passive income source. By investing in companies that pay regular dividends, you can receive a steady income stream. In 2024, with the availability of various investment platforms, it's easier than ever to start investing in stocks. It's important to research and choose stocks wisely, focusing on companies with a strong history of dividend payments. In 2024, these 5 passive income streams offer diverse opportunities for earning without the need for active involvement. Whether it's through digital content creation on YouTube and blogs, sharing knowledge via online courses, investing in the volatile yet potential rich world of cryptocurrency, or the more traditional route of dividend stocks, there's an option for everyone. The key to success in passive income is diversification, research, and a willingness to learn and adapt to new opportunities. Remember, the most successful passive income strategies require an initial investment of time, effort, or capital, but with the right approach, they can provide financial stability and growth for years to come.